Hi traders, welcome to my channel Cora Trade. Some investors are asking, is this right time to invest in heritage foods? Some investors are asking, is this right time to book profits after stock has increased 60% in recent 1 month? Before answering all these questions, I will give you detailed business analysis, company valuations and possibilities of long-term investment opportunities. If you want answers for these questions, please watch it up to end of this video. Heritage Foods current market price is 577 rupees and market cap is 5800 crores. A leading dairy company with a diverse product portfolio of milk and milk-based products, posting a healthy revenue growth of 17% year-on-year in fourth quarter. Because of 20% increase in volume of value-added products. Earning margins improved to 7.5% by reducing fat inventory losses, raw material cost, and added value products. The company has set a target of reaching 6,000 crores revenue in the next 3 to 4 years. This can also help in upcoming annual growth of 15 to 18%. Heritage Foods mainly focus on increasing value-added products, penetrating in new areas, strengthening their supply chain, and expanding its product portfolio to scale up its market presence. In their total revenue, only milk revenue improved to 7% year-on-year by higher sales volume. Average milk procurement increased by 11% to reach 1.5 million liters per day, whereas procurement price is down by 3.5 rupees per liter. Along with milk revenue, value-added products revenue also increased to 22% year-on-year by launching various products like toned milk and skimmed milk in Tetra packs under the brand names of Farm Fresh and Light Fit, and new ice cream variant wipes and flavored curd Subhamita Dahi. In negative side, initially because of their milk procurement increased, bulk fat inventory also increased. At that time, Heritage is suffered with net loss of 13.5 crores. But after that, by reducing that gap between milk procurement and sales volume, the loss has been reduced. Heritage is aggressively expanding their presence in Maharashtra and Delhi, even though those are non-south regions, having 10% strong revenue from total revenue. Company added 400 milk distributors and more than 30 value-added products in fourth quarter. Okay, coming to technical stock price has improved 60% in last 1 month. Present, the stock is overbought zone after steep rise. Cora Trade remain good opinion on its business growth, but advising to book profits for existing holders. For new investors, wait for 10 to 15% correction or accumulate on every dip for long-term investment 2 to 3 years time horizon. Thank you.